Hey guys, so I've been meaning to make this video for a while now. I was kind of just waiting for the last couple sales to be completed to send the boxes off, but I've been selling basically all of my Surging Sparks booster boxes. I think I have 7 or 8 boxes left, so I'm going to keep a case, and then I have a couple boxes listed locally for like 345 Canadian, I think. So if those eventually go, I will sell them at that price. If not, I'll just keep them and have 8 boxes. But yeah, I mean, Surging came out the gate hot, and I got in really good with pre-orders. And I just figured it made sense to get rid of them, basically double my money. I think it came out to 92 or 93% overall return, so a little bit less than a full double up on every single box. But I was happy with that for, a couple months of work, basically, just ordering it and sending them back out. And I do have a plan for that money. Coming into this year, I've said multiple times, I think Prismatic is going to be huge. A lot of people disagree with me. They think it's just going to get reprinted into oblivion. And, even if that's the case, I think just buying ETB is at MSRP, going into the super premium collections, which are going to come out later this year, and potentially even some surprise boxes. I think those are all going to be great products. The booster bundles, again, kind of probably going to follow 151 in the sense that those will probably be the products that I think get the most restocks and also, get the biggest hit when more product comes to market just because of pack value inside. But I think the things like the ETBs and surprise boxes, stuff that has something special to it outside of just pack value, I think those are going to do much better. And, my plan is to buy a lot of Prismatic at MSRP or below MSRP throughout the year. And then also I'm planning to go fairly big into Team Rocket once we know more about that. That is probably going to be one of the only booster box sets. And I know I said multiple times that I wasn't going to pre-order Journey Together if I didn't know what cards were going to be in and stuff. If Team Rocket is a booster box set, that is probably going to be the only booster box that I will legitimately order or pre-order if I can get in super early without knowing what cards are inside, right? That set I think is going to be big. I have lots of hopes for that one. And then even the black and white, if that is specialty set later on in the year, I'll definitely be putting some money into that as well. But I do have a plan for the money that I'm getting from Surging Sparks. And these boxes, they may continue to go. They're already up to 250. From what I've heard, people are saying that reprints are coming. There's rumors of it now. Maybe it's just been confirmed by some places in the United States. Again, I don't have distro access. I'm just going off of what other people that have access to distro are saying. And yeah, I just figured it was a good time to move on from most of these. The ETBs are doing quite well. They're up to $75. The PC ones are almost back to the ridiculous pre-order price before the set came out, sitting around $144, $145 for a PC ETB. So good on you if you bought some of those as well. The cards are holding up super strong also. Pikachu's at 470, Latias is at 240, Milotic is 135, the gold Pikachu's 130. So you have 4 cards over $100. Super impressive. The Hydreigon's not too far behind at 84-ish. And then Alone Executor, Alicia's Appeal, which I'm kind of surprised this one's moved down. But, once you compare it to like Carmine and Pairing, I think, from Twilight Masquerade, it kind of makes sense that it's in this range, I guess. The Ceruledge is up to around 40. That I kind of expected this one to be worth more than $20, especially when the IRs first came out. It doesn't surprise me that this is in that range. And yeah, I mean, pretty solid set there, but I'm happy to move some of my product. Again, I'm going to put a lot of it into Prismatic this year. And yeah, I just wanted to make this update video. It's going to be shorter just because when I'm selling stuff, I want you guys to know. And I've already said that I am selling some Fusion Strike. I've moved some boxes. I still have a couple more that I would like to move at that $600 price point. So if you guys are in Canada and you want to buy some Fusion, I have boxes available, 600 Canadian. I've actually started putting up a couple Lost Origin boxes. So if you want one of those, 475 Canadian, I think that's a good deal. Those are, pretty good looking boxes as well. The Fusion ones have worse wrap and they have, imperfections on the top of the box. But yeah, 475 on Lost Origin. And I have a couple Silver Tempest boxes as well, 260 Canadian. These have bad wrap. If you go back like a few months and watch when I got these from the Pokemon Center, they were in pretty bad shape, but still sealed Silver Tempest boxes. So if you want one of those, 260 Canadian. And Paldean Fates is the last thing I'm selling, guys. Just these 4 things right now. So this is kind of for Canadians who are interested. 600 for Fusion, 475 Lost Origin, 260 for the bad wrap Silver Tempest boxes, and $200 Canadian if you want a PC ETB of Paldean Fates. That's what I have for offer right now. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I did sell most of my Surging Sparks. Will I regret it? Who knows? Am I a Timmy? Probably. I don't care. You know, it is what it is. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you think. With that said, thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. I'll catch you in the next one.